So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how if your phone calls is not sent. Okay, so how you can solve this problem. So number one, what you have to do, you have to check your network connections. If your network is totally fine, then it is not a problem. It will be run awesome. But if you have something wrong in your network connections, or maybe um just go to setting once and you can search for sim and networks data uses. You have to check its network permissions. If your network is not allowing, then everything is fine here. So you just have to go and check, and um so after that, what you have to do, you have to take out your SIM once from your mobile, and after that put it against and switch off your mobiles for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that your phone call is going to be work. Okay guys, so this is what you have to do, and thanks for watching this video.